In this video, I'll show you how to export a Canva file as a PDF first. Open Canva and go to the design you want to export. Make sure everything is finalized, including text, images, and layout, because the file will be saved exactly as it appears on your screen. Next, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, select Download. This will open the export settings where you can choose your file format. Now, under File Type, select PDF. Canva usually gives you two options, PDF Standard and PDF Print. Choose PDF Standard for smaller file size and online use, or PDF Print for higher quality, especially if you plan to print the file. If needed, you can also select specific pages instead of downloading the entire design. Just choose the pages you want to include. After that, click Download, and Canva will generate your PDF file. Once it's ready, the file will automatically save to your device. Now you can open, share, or print your Canva design as a PDF. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.